Hi guys. So
Hi. We're making a video now.
my gorgeous baby back there. My husband is out here washing the car. It's hot. It's hot, and he's over here lock us up and washing the car. Like,
With the key.
but I don't know if you guys can see my edges. It's looking better.
I'm wearing lip gloss.
Lip gloss. It's looking better.
Look
Look at
at
this. So
That was cool.
it's looking better. My edges are looking better. I'm wearing this nude lipstick that I picked up yesterday. I don't know if I like it yet. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
I don't know. But
It's raining on us.
it's hot in here. I feel like my makeup is about to start sweating off. But I have no idea, no clue where we're going.
Hubby and I are not talking right now because
I am.
it's just one of those days where we just tend
I want
to,
my mommy's purse.
we're like butting heads. And I hate those days. I hate those days where we butt heads.
I don't want to raise.
And my pet peeve is don't throw stuff that I tell you while we're being, intimate with each other. Don't throw that back in my face. Because that's gonna make me not trust you.
Find me.
And it took a while for me to trust him after the whole, infidelity thing. It took a while for me to trust him fully again. So, I don't know, folks. Pray for us, please. Pray for us. I don't know. I really want to work my marriage, but at the same time, it's hard. It's hard, but I'm gonna go.
No.
So, good afternoon, peeps. We did not vlog at all yesterday because we were too lazy to do any vlogging. So, we are on our way to Walmart to go pick up a metallic wallet for my hubby.
Because his cards are always falling out of his
Wallet. So, we're on our way to do that. And there go my husband in his poop glasses again. He's rocking the poop glasses.
This is what I found in the purple purse.
A coupon?
Yes.
$1 off something.
Give me it.
There.
Thank you.
So, this is not a 1-minute makeup. This is a 30-minute makeup. And the lighting is really bad. So, you have anything to say? No. Don't have anything to say. So yesterday we went to the mall. And it was late. We went to the mall late. Pretty late. I only bought, I bought a cardigan and a t-shirt that says no limit.
I bought new shoes.
And Eliana bought new shoes because she had a gift card. Yeah, there go her shoe. She had a gift card for Payless, so she bought, and then I bought these hair jewelry for my hair.
And she bought new clothes.
Yeah, and you can see my edges are not so bad. They're coming. Yeah.
She bought a shirt and a sweater.
Yeah, I bought a cardigan and a shirt, which I'm tempted to return because I spent $32 on those 2 pieces. If you know me, that's not gonna fly. But they're cute, and I love cute outfit. But I like a bargain. I usually don't buy fall stuff in fall season. I usually buy stuff off season. So I don't know what got into me, but it was cute, and my daughter liked the color. That's why I got it. My husband was supposed to be buying boots for work because his work boot, they busted because he works in water, a lot of water. So those busted. He was supposed to be buying that. He didn't buy it. And then that was about it. That was basically our day. So I didn't vlog at all because I didn't feel like it was important to vlog that. It was very. So yeah. I'm trying to go to the Mac store to get a paint pot, Painterly, because I have all the naked palettes. I have all the naked palettes, but I find that I don't have a good base for the colors to pop, because right now I'm wearing a few of the shadows, and I really can't tell that I'm wearing it. I feel like it's not, the colors are not coming up on my skin tone, so I need a base. So we're probably gonna go see about that today. I'm not sure, because hubby got to work this afternoon. He said he had to work at 10, and it came out that he actually has to work at 6:30. He has to be at work at 6:30, so that kind of put a damper into my spirit. And then I woke up and I made breakfast, because Destiny said she wanted IHOP. So she kept walking around calling me a IHOP lady, because I made her some pancakes. I love when I make them pancakes. I make some mean pancakes, some burnt mean pancakes. They're not too bad. Hey, put your belt on.
I eat my pancake.
Okay, sit back and put your belt on, please.
Buzz.
I'm gonna have to start wrangling that boy. Giovanni, can you please put your belt on? I don't even know why you're back there. But yeah. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
We'll talk later when we get to where we're going.
Alright. So right here I've decided to fast forward the vlog, because I figured it'd be pretty boring to sit through us just gliding through Best Buy. So we got to Best Buy, and we were looking for a wallet, a metallic wallet for my husband, because we couldn't find one at Walmart, and he figured, you know, Best Buy would carry them, but they didn't. So we ended up not finding the wallet he wanted there. So we started looking at different vlogging cameras, because right now I'm using my my cell phone, and the memory on my phone is not the best. So I need to upgrade to a really good vlogging camera. So we were here just looking at different types of vlogging camera, which one would be best. And of course, I'm not purchasing anything right now. It's just gonna be going on my list as Christmas presents for my husband, you know, an idea of what it is that I need, so that he's not walking around buying unnecessary things that I don't need. So I did choose between the Nikon, or it's either between the Nikon or the Canon. One of them, the G7X, I think is really expensive. Right now it's on sale for $5.99, and I'm really thinking of getting that one, but I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. I still have to do my research. So yeah. So basically we spent a good 15 minutes walking around Best Buy, just looking at things, and you know, and at one point I think I did have to this is the Nikon here that I was looking at, and I was trying to figure out whether or not I wanted to get it, because it had the flip out screen, not the flip up, but it had a flip out screen, and I didn't think that was ideal for vlogging, in terms of how you have to hold the camera to vlog. So yeah, but I do like Nikon products. But right here I am disciplining Jordan, because he did something and he said something really mean, and I had to stop in the middle of what it was that I was doing to discipline him, to let him know that, you know, what he did was wrong. And now next I'm telling another child not to be touching things, because I hate when we go to stores and you have your children all over the place and they're touching things. And you know, my philosophy is that if you're not buying anything, don't touch it. So basically that's what I was doing. So I was still looking. I wasn't sure you know, they had a couple of good cameras. They had a Sony and stuff, and then I was all excited because I saw stoves and stuff because in a couple of months we're gonna be buying a house. So I wanted to show you guys my dream refrigerator, and it's the refrigerator that I want to get. It's very pricey. It's one refrigerator. It's two refrigerators. Well, it's a two-piece. So the first one is like $5,000, and the other one is like $4,000. So altogether, it's like roughly $10,000 for the thing. But it's really big and tall, and you know, I like it. So yeah, so I had to show you guys, and then my husband had to come and drag me out of there because I tend to get anxious in terms of when it is that we get to buy a house, because I don't want to wait, but we do have to wait because I still have to sell my car in order for us to qualify for the max amount that we need. So anyways, so yeah, and so we're walking back out, and that's the stove that my husband wants to buy me. He's like, it's very, you know, inexpensive, and that's all you need is a basin. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end this vlog tonight, but before I go, I wanted to let you guys know that I have some good news, and I'm like super duper excited, and I can't wait to share it with you guys because put it. Wanna say good night? Is that your outfit for bed?
Yeah.
Okay. Wanna say good night?
Why?
You wanna say good night too?
Are you gonna make a video to take off your makeup?
I'm not gonna. I already did one.
Bye.
But do you want me to
Good
make
night.
one?
Yes.
Showing them how I do your hair for bed? Here.
But with the makeup too, the makeup.